How to select slide background in Microsoft PowerPoint Mobile. So first of all, launch MS PowerPoint application on your mobile devices. Once you come here, you can open your existing PowerPoint slides or else tap on the plus button to create a new one. Then choose a layout for your slides. Now, once you open a slide, you'll see this arrow button at the bottom right. Select on it. Then tap on this Home option. Then you'll see the category of design. Tap on it. From here, you can select on themes in order to add a theme background to your specific slides. You can choose any of these themes according to your preferences, which will be applied to each and every slide you create or add. Now, if you go back, you can also tap on Format Background. Then you can choose a specific color. And with that, you will be able to add a background in MS PowerPoint mobile application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.